வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா, செப்டம்பர் மந்தோட பார்ட் 2 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். So first one, which Indian state famous for its king chilli organized as Mirchi festival, that is chilli festival. So Nagaland is famous for its king chilli, also called Naga Mircha. Second one, where is the Institute of Mathematical Science located? So Department of Post, so it's under Tamil Nadu Circle, located in Chennai. India is set to gift a bust of Mahatma Gandhi in the headquarters of which institution? So it's will be inaugurated as gift from India to United Nations during India's presidency of Security Council. So it is United Nations. Which institution published the book titled India, the Mother of Democracy? So the Mother of Democracy is prepared and published by Indian Council of Historical Research, that is ICHR. What is the name of the annual state level youth festival organized in Kerala? So it is Keralotsavam. Keralotsavam is the state level youth festival of Kerala. What is the name of the harvest festival celebrated before Mahar Sankaranti? So it is Lohri, popular in North Indian festival, which marks the end of winter solstice and beginning of longer days. Lever Cup, which was seen in the news, is associated with which sport? So it is associated with tennis. Sukant Kadam, who was seen in the news, is associated with which sports? So it's associated with badminton. Ex-Garuda Shakti is a bilateral exercise held between India and which country? So it's between India and Indonesia. So answer is Indonesia. As per new study, which species may swallow roughly 10 million microplastic pieces daily? So it's blue whales. So மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க. inspireacadamii@gmail.com மெயில் கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ வந்து லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.